welcome to the Sacramento International Airport, where the local time is just about 10 minutes till 1. Please remain seated with seatbelts fastened and all carry-on stowed until we've come to a stop at our gate and our captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Before leaving, be sure you have all of your belongings, check in and around your seating area, in your seat pocket and in the overhead compartment. Use caution when opening overhead compartments as the contents may have shifted around during the flight. Smoking may not be permitted in the terminal. Please observe all posted signs regarding smoking. At this time now, you may turn on and use your cell phone. All other electronics must remain off until we've been parked at our gate. We thank you for selecting United for your travel today. Along with our Star Alliance airline partners, we look forward to being of service to you in the future. Have a good afternoon.